Hello everyone! In this video, I want to talk about the most popular cat coins for the summer of 2024. We will look at the most hyped cat meme coins for this summer. Yes, you heard that right, cat coins. Meme coins remain a class of assets that do not require a high entry threshold for users. They are easy and convenient to use, allowing to engage with the industry, discover new technologies, and most importantly, do all this with fun and amusing coins. And of course, you can do this with the hope of their value increasing in the future. Everyone has heard stories about how these meme coins skyrocket in price. Right now, a new trend is forming in this space, and I will tell you more about it. Of course, we know about projects like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Dog meme coins have long dominated the crypto market segment, with some projects boasting incredible market capitalizations, competing with the most sought-after blockchains as well as trendy projects. But it seems that in 2024, in response to the popularity of dog coins, an opposite trend is forming. Watch the video to the end, as I will share my predictions and observations about the future of cat meme coins and discuss which of them could yield extraordinary returns in the near future. Share in the comments which cat coin you consider promising and why. Also, tell us which meme coins you like the most. Let's get started. If we judge by market capitalization, there are more of those who prefer dogs to cats among crypto enthusiasts. Many of the largest projects in the meme coin segment are in fact dog coins. What is more, the largest meme coin to date, Dogecoin Doge, dedicated to the meme about the Shiba Inu dog, is actually in the top 10 largest coins by market capitalization, with a total market value exceeding $15 billion. In the top 100 by market capitalization, you can also find Shiba Inu, Dogwifhat, Bonk, and Floki. All of them are dog-related. Unlike dogs, as I mentioned, cats are lower down the list, with only one project making it into the top 100. Others are further down the list. On the other hand, this can be viewed positively. Many of these coins may have hidden growth potential due to their not so high market capitalization, meaning they could offer great earning opportunities. So, among the 5 largest projects, I would highlight the following: Popcat, Mogcoin, Cat in a Dog's World, Michi, and Wen. Of course, if you approach the issue seriously, you can find differences between these projects in terms of tokenomics, blockchains, and other features. But they are still meme coins, which are characterized by traits typical of meme coins. Don't think that by buying such a toy coin, you are investing in something serious and fundamental. Many other users who invested in such assets largely did so for a joke support of the project, or more likely in anticipation of price growth purely for speculative purposes. Hence, the high volatility often discussed in the crypto market, especially in the meme coin segment. Give a like if you love cat coins despite all their unseriousness. Now, let's take a closer look at each one. The leader by market capitalization among crypto cats is the Popcat project, which is ranked 95th. I want to tell you that at the moment, this is the flagship among cat projects. Like many popular meme coins from later waves, it is represented on the Solana blockchain. Its main feature is the clicker on the official website, where you can click on the screen and a cat would make funny noise. This is the meme and mascot of the project. However, from the perspective of price dynamics, the coin is clearly not that simple. Firstly, it showed significant growth after the Black Monday on August 5th, when the leading cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, experienced a deep decline due to falling stock and crypto markets. The growth rates of Popcat are indeed noteworthy. It is also worth considering that the project is linked to the Solana blockchain, which means we have a positive news background that can indirectly contribute to the growth of satellite projects. Thus, the SOL token has generally been among the leaders in recovery, in contrast, for example, to Ethereum. Another possible positive news is the approval by the Brazilian Securities and Exchange Commission of Solana-based ETF. As for the technical analysis of Popcat, it is a typical representative of meme coins with extremely high volatility. If we look at the ATR indicator, it stands at 0.2852, which is almost 50%. Thus, over the course of a week, the price of Popcat fluctuates within this value. On one hand, this has a positive effect for traders who can quickly earn on price jumps. On the other hand, making any long-term forecasts for the coin is almost useless. The coin grew more than 11 times from mid-April to mid-July 2024 and then fell 5 times. Further growth can be expected after overcoming the resistance level of 0.7295. If the price drops below the support level of 0.254, then further decline can be anticipated, potentially down to a new historical minimum. By the way, August 8th was International Cat Day, and surely many coins could have reacted with growth due to such a celebration. Give a like if you didn't know about this, and we'll keep an eye on similar events in the future. Another important project related to the cat theme is memecoin. Its technical implementation is associated with the Ethereum blockchain. Emerging as a joke, this token has a solid market capitalization exceeding $500 million and is ranked 105th by market cap. As for the technical analysis, memecoin has shown a bearish trend since mid-July 2024. Despite the bounce that occurred on August 5th, it is still too early to talk about a trend reversal. The price remains below the 50-day moving average, shown in blue on the chart, and the RSI is below the 50 mark. Both of these factors indicate a predominance of sellers. The nearest support and resistance levels are this amount and this amount, respectively. Cat in a dog's world with a nice Mew ticker, a fun and quite cute token associated with the Solana blockchain. So all the news I mentioned regarding Popcat is also relevant for its analysis. The project's market capitalization exceeds $450 million, placing it at 114th by market cap. An interesting feature of the token is its total supply, which amounts to this number of tokens. As for the technical analysis, since the end of July, Cat in a dog's world has shown a decline, which only stopped on August 5th. The current situation appears to favor the bulls, as indicated by the price rising above the 50-day moving average, shown in blue on the chart. Further growth is possible after overcoming the resistance level of this amount. The support level is at this amount. Michi is significantly lagging in market capitalization compared to other cat projects. Its total market value does not exceed 100 million, and it is ranked only 335th by market cap. However, the token is also associated with the Solana blockchain. As for the technical analysis, Michi has formed a bearish trend since the end of July, when a bearish engulfing pattern was established on the daily chart. On August 5th, the decline was halted at the 0.1 mark, which now serves as support. Nevertheless, it is premature to talk about the beginning of a bullish rally, as the price is still below the 50-day moving average, shown in blue on the chart. Further growth can be expected after overcoming the resistance level of 0.217. When concludes our list of cat tokens, this project has the most modest market capitalization, around $60 million. It is also built on the Solana blockchain. As for the technical analysis, Wen is experiencing the longest correction among all cat meme coins. Unlike the others, where the decline began at the end of July, this one continues to fall since March. During this period, the coin has decreased by over 84%. Currently, it is trading around the price pivot zone. If it manages to hold above this level, it will become support. If not, a decline to the next support level of this amount is quite likely. Let's summarize. Can you make money on cat meme coins? Overall, it is just like with dog coins and meme coins in general and the crypto market as a whole. However, it is important to remember that all cat meme coins are currently incredibly volatile. I would conduct trading based on technical analysis combined with fundamental factors, invest small amounts, and would not have high hopes. After all, we are talking about coins about cats, not serious scientific and financial solutions that will change the whole economy. Among others, as of summer 2024, Popcat stands out, rapidly gaining market capitalization and attracting audience attention. The meme is funny, and if we talk about the prospects of earning with this project, they should be considered purely in a speculative sense. Share in the comments what you think. Can Popcat become the new Pepe or Shib? So, it was Michael with you. Stay tuned, and do not forget to like, push the notification button, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.